1 Portable Power Supply User Guide. Open the latch of the paddleboard external mounting accessory. Install the U1 adapter plate. Install the U1 unit and insert the locking pin. Secure the power supply with a rope to ensure it does not fall off. Wrap the U1 power cable once around the paddleboard to prevent it from being too long and scraping against rocks. Plug in the connector. Either port can be used, and for a single thruster there is no left or right distinction. Attach the anti-drop magnetic safety leash. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device, then double-click to enter Bluetooth mode. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Bluetooth will connect automatically. Press the forward button once to start in gear 1. Press it again to switch to gear 2. Press it again to switch to gear 3. Press it again to switch back to gear 1. Press the power button once to stop. Press and hold the power button to turn off the control watch. First press the power button once, then press and hold it to power off.